The Traffic Control Police Chuchampur today handed over a total of 28 foreign-made Kenbo bikes which were seized by the District Police to the Custom Preventive Force Imphal Division for further necessary action. The TCP unit has been undertaking drive against illegal Kenbo bikes in the town since January 2020 to prevent crime and unwanted incidents involving these bikes. In view of the coronavirus outbreak in India and around the world, the Manipur government has issued an order that all 3 Ima markets and temporary market at Imphal city shall remain closed from midnight of March 21 till midnight of March 25. Further, the Deputy Commissioners of Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching and Jiribam districts have also been directed to ensure that the main Ima markets located at their respective district headquarters shall remain closed. Based on a report about illegal trading of edible commodities by some individuals amid the Indo-Myanmar shutdown by government in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, a combined team of Technopole district and 43 Assam Rifles personnel along with civil administration officials paid inspection visit along the Indo-Myanmar border the previous day. On the other hand, District Health Society Technopole informed that preventive measures on coronavirus to Moray residents and advised not to consume any products brought from Myanmar. The District Administration of Majuli in Assam has prohibited plying of ferries, country boats or any other means of water transport except emergency services connecting Majuli with effect from today. According to a media reports, a notification also stated that in case of medical emergency, the patient or family members may contact the district administration or the district disaster management authority. The number of COVID-19 positive cases surged to over 250 in India as of today, with 4 dead. The situation is getting alarming according to reports. Keeping in view of the outbreak, a nationwide call for a Janta curfew has been announced from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In an extraordinary decision, Indian Railways announced that it would stop its services across the country from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow during the Janta curfew called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As per reports, it clarified that if long-distance and intercity trains have good occupancy figures, the zonal railways may decide to run them.